Ever decide to go out to dinner for some peace and quiet?
Yes. No.
Never. Come on. In case the mood strikes you, one New York restaurant has you in mind. It's a bistro called Eat in Brooklyn, where customers are expected to eat in silence and not use any electronic devices. The manager of the restaurant says he visited a monastery where they serve breakfast in silence so people could focus on their food experience. Sounds crazy, but it's a growing concept, and the timing couldn't be more right. Restaurant Guide Zagat says restaurant noise is second to poor customer service when it comes to customer complaints.
Oh, wow.
Eat first opened as a record store serving coffee in 2003. However, the owners are so serious about turning the volume down to zero that if you're caught talking, you have to eat outside on a bench.
So once I start chit-chatting,
You got
have
to
to
pack
go
up your
eat
stuff
outside.
and head out.
would you be interested in eating at a place that doesn't have, you can't say anything? You can't even say, oh, this is good.
No, because that's what I do at home when I'm eating lunch. I've got the dog and the cat there. Occasionally I'll throw them a comment or
little
two,
something.
but the whole point of going out
Yes,
is to
to
have a
socialize
conversation.
and yeah.
What bugs you, though, at restaurants?
Bad customer service.
Okay, my thing is sweeping. I don't know why
do they do
this
that when you
happens
eat?
When you're eating, why are you sweeping up
But see,
around
that's
me?
bad customer
It
service.
drives me up a wall,
Yeah.
like to the point where I'm nauseous and I can't eat anymore. I don't understand
I hate
it.
when the restaurant's empty and they act like they're busy and they haven't checked on you
Yeah.
in like 20 minutes. Rude.
Exactly.
Rude. Too many empty benches in here
Stop
for that.
sweeping when I'm eating.
No,
Okay.
dust is up on your
Yeah.
spaghetti and your mac.